Tired of soggy, microwaved leftovers and dried out oven-baked chicken? There is a secret weapon that professional kitchens have used for years, and it is finally small enough for your countertop. I have spent the last few months cooking, baking, and heavily testing the top models on the market to find out which ones are genuinely worth your counter space. And well, you're going to want to stick around for my #1 pick because it completely changed how I handle my weekly meal prep. Number 6. Nuwave Combi Steam Oven. When I first pulled this out of the box, I was actually pretty excited because it promises a whole lot of functionality for a very reasonable price. I started my testing with a simple batch of steamed broccoli and a small 3-pound chicken to see how it handled the absolute basics. Well, the actual cooking performance is decent, and it does pump out a fair amount of steam. It comes with a built-in temperature probe, which is honestly a really nice touch for getting your meats cooked right to the exact center. You can set a target temperature and the oven shuts off when it hits it, which genuinely saved my chicken from drying out during that first test. But here is what matters when you're actually using this thing in your kitchen every single day. The control panel is just completely overwhelming. It has over 100 pre-programmed recipes built directly into the machine. Now, I mean, that sounds great on paper, but scrolling through a tiny digital display to find the exact numbered code for baked potatoes is a massive headache. You know, I found myself ignoring the presets entirely because the interface is so incredibly clunky. I spent a good 5 minutes one morning just trying to figure out how to manually adjust the timer while it was already running. 5. Midea 4-in-1 Multifunctional Microwave Steam Oven. This one tries to be the absolute ultimate space saver by combining a microwave, a convection oven, an air fryer, and a steam oven all into one single metal box. I really wanted to love this concept because, I mean, who wouldn't want to replace 4 different bulky appliances with just one? I tested the combination modes heavily, trying to microwave a frozen block of chicken noodle soup while hitting it with steam to see if it would thaw faster without getting that weird rubbery texture. It definitely works, and the microwave function is surprisingly powerful for a combo unit. Heating up leftovers using the steam and microwave together genuinely keeps the food from drying out, which is a huge plus for quick lunches. But, well, the physical execution has some real flaws that drove me crazy during my testing weeks. The water tank for the steam function is positioned entirely on the bottom of the unit, and it is weirdly shallow. You know, if you are doing a longer steam bake, you are definitely going to run out of water, and pulling that hot, shallow tray out to refill it mid-cook is just begging for a spill all over your floor. Also, because it packs so much heavy technology into one shell, the internal capacity is a lot smaller than the massive exterior footprint suggests. It takes up a massive chunk of counter space. 4. Panasonic HomeChef 7-in-1 Compact Steam Oven. Now, we are getting into the territory of ovens that I actually really enjoyed having on my kitchen counter. This model drops the microwave function entirely, but heavily leans into convection baking and steam, and the difference in quality is immediately obvious. When I tested this with a batch of frozen pork soup dumplings, the steam injection was incredibly fast, like almost instant. The water boiler system they use creates a really fine, dense steam that coats the food perfectly without making the wrappers waterlogged. I also used it to bake some artisan rolls, and the steam bake mode gave them that beautiful bakery-style crust that is usually impossible to get in a standard home oven. I mean, the air fry feature is also genuinely impressive here. Most steam ovens really struggle to get things crispy because of the residual internal moisture, but the Panasonic vents out the humidity really effectively when you switch over to the dry modes. I made chicken wings that came out incredibly crispy on the outside while still staying completely juicy near the bone. The physical size is also a massive win. It is compact, definitely much smaller than the Midea, but they designed the interior without any wasted empty space. You can easily slide 2 full racks of food in there at the exact same time, which completely changes the game for quick weeknight dinner prep. It just feels extremely well thought out. 3. Cuisinart CSO 300N Convection Steam Oven. If you are someone who specifically wants to bake bread or pastries, you know, this is the exact model you need to pay attention to. Cuisinart has been making versions of this specific oven for years, and they have really dialed in the internal mechanics. I spent a whole weekend just testing sourdough bread in this thing. The proofing setting is absolutely brilliant. It holds a very low, highly consistent heat with just the right amount of humidity, so your dough rises beautifully without drying out and forming a skin on top. Then you switch it over to the steam bake setting, and it blasts the crust with moisture right at the beginning of the bake, which is exactly how professional bakeries operate. But it is not just for baking bread. I steamed a whole salmon fillet in here, and it came out perfectly tender and flaky in under 20 minutes. The controls are incredibly straightforward. There is a simple mechanical dial and a digital screen that actually makes logical sense. No 100 mystery presets to memorize, just clear modes like steam, bake, broil, and super steam. Let me explain why I really appreciate this unit. It is basically self-cleaning. Because it operates with so much pure heated steam, any grease or food splatters on the stainless steel interior just wipe right off with a single paper towel. 2. CUCINA 7-in-1 Steam Convection Oven. I will be totally honest, I was not as familiar with this brand before I started testing, but it completely blew me away. This thing is an absolute powerhouse and offers some of the highest accurate temperatures of any unit I tested. The preheat time on the CUCINA is ridiculously fast. I was getting up to 400 degrees in just a few short minutes, which is amazing when you are hungry after work and do not want to wait around for an oven to get ready. I tested a whole 4-pound roasted chicken in this, using the dedicated steam roast function. The skin got incredibly crispy from the high convection heat, while the steam kept the breast meat entirely moist and tender. What really sets this apart from the pack is the interface and the overall build quality. It features a really sleek touchscreen and physical dial combo that feels very high-end. You turn the dial to select your cooking mode, and the screen clearly tells you exactly what temperature and time you are working with. It is incredibly intuitive. You genuinely do not need a manual to figure it out. The internal capacity is also massive. It easily swallowed a 12-inch pizza and still had room to spare on the sides. TOSHIBA 6-in-1 Compact Steam Oven. This oven is simply on another level entirely. From the moment I plugged it into the wall, it was obvious that TOSHIBA put a massive amount of engineering into how this thing actually handles water and heat. The absolute core of why this is number 1 is the steam generator itself. Unlike some cheaper ovens that just boil water in a little puddle on the metal floor of the oven, the TOSHIBA creates pure, continuous steam externally and injects it directly into the cooking cavity. I steamed a massive batch of root vegetables and jasmine rice at the exact same time, and absolutely everything cooked perfectly evenly without any cold spots. The daily versatility here is completely unmatched. It has a slow cook mode that simmers food very gently, a pure steam mode, and a convection bake mode that is incredibly precise. I actually tested it by making a batch of delicate French macarons, which are notoriously picky about temperature shifts, and they came out perfectly. That is exactly how accurate the internal thermostat actually is. I mean, just look at the physical design. It is sleek, it is modern, and the water reservoir is hidden right behind a neat little pop-out panel on the front face. It logically holds enough water for 3 solid hours of continuous steaming. That means you can safely steam a whole large roast for hours without ever having to open the door and lose your precious heat. Final thought. That's all for today, folks.